Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on OnePlus Ace 3V. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to Google account. And now click on Data and Privacy. And here you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now you have to go to your Google Play Store and click Sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click Next to recover it. And here you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And now you have to swipe down and click Accept. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.